on behaviors of fabricating historic facts, spreading false narratives, attempting to enforce the illegal arbitration award, and confusing right with wrong. A certain country, emboldened by outside powers, have broken bilateral agreements and its own promises, made premeditated provocations, and created false scenario to mislead the public. China has exercised a great restraint in the face of such infringements and provocations. But there is a limit to our restraint. We hope this country could see where its true interests lie, return to the right track of dialogue and consultation.
Giit pa niya, kaya raw ng mga bansa sa Asia-Pacific region na resolbahin ang mga problema natin at handang makipagtulungan ang China. Walang pinangalanang bansa si Admiral Dong Jun.